Hello beautiful people and welcome to my channel. I'm batch recording. I'm Mandy, by the way, and this is my channel, and if you like makeup and makeup panning and makeup unbagging, then go ahead and hit that subscription button, the subscribe button, and stay tuned for today's video. Today I am opening up my June Ipsy. It's been sitting here for a little while waiting for me to get around to it. I kind of color coordinated with it today, didn't I? Anyway, not intentional. Let's reach in here and see what we got. I already, as you can see, opened the flap. Make it easier. We got a card that tells me show your colors is this month's theme. And yep, they tell me what is in the bag, so I'm not gonna look. All right, here is the bag. Ooh, it's holy. And is it? Oh, there's one thing outside the bag. We have a brush. A brush. There we go. It is this guy here. It is gray, which is one of my favorite colors. It is an LR 105 short shadow brush. There you go, short shadow. The bristles are gray, the handle is gray. I don't know what brand this is. I'm going to have to peek and look because I have an eyeshadow brush from the same brand. LaRousse, I think. It doesn't say on the brush, so it's really nice. It's got like a rubberized textured handle there. And they're very nice brushes. Like I said, I have a larger shadow brush. And yeah, now I have a small shadow brush. Alright, let's move on. This is a nice bag. It has holes in it. Great for like taking things to the beach and you know if they're wet, you want to keep them ventilated. Or if there's sand and you want to like shake the sand out. And it has a little like orange slice on it. And it's yellow and it's got this pink and purple zipper. Alright, first thing in here. Ooh, what is this? Dew of the Gods Rosé Iced Rosé Body Scrub. Ooh, that's a pretty colored package. This is a mini. Blessed by a Buddhist monk to inspire pride and confidence. Can we take a minute to acknowledge how amazing Frosé is? Rosé, wine, sugar, ice. Cute and pink. Okay. So this is a body scrub in Frosé. Iced Rosé body scrub. Sounds interesting. I will definitely give that a try eventually. That is a mini. Dew of the Gods. I've never heard of that company. Okay. And then something in bubble wrap. We got a compact here. How are you all doing? Alright, this is from Culture Club, I think. I recognize it, but Complex Culture. From Complex Culture, this is Sun Bath Baked Bronzer. Sorry, it's baked. I was just like, oh man. Oh, that's a nice shade. That is a really good shade. Let me swatch that. That is an awesome shade for me. I love Ipsy. Ipsy for that. Ipsy, not Etsy. I love Etsy too, but that is a nice shade. That would be a very nice bronzer for me. Yay! Now I have more than one bronzer in my life. Alright, and that is from, what did I say? Complex Culture. And it is in the Sun Bath Baked Bronzer. Oh, I think that's the shade is called Play. Because it says Play on the back. And that is 0.1 grams or 0.05 ounces. Or 1.5 grams. And then we have something in a tube from Glam. Never heard of that company either. A vitamin C clay mask with turmeric, aloe vera, and desert lime. There's that guy there, a little sample. A vitamin C clay mask. Huh. Okay. It's sealed. I was like gonna check it out, but like I'm not gonna open it just to check it out. And then one last thing, and here's a pencil from Lottie London, AM to PM. A velvet retractable eyeliner. Oh wait, I think velvet's the shade. Okay, hold on. Let me unwrap it from its plastic wrap, and then we'll take a look and see what color it is. Okay, I got it open, and that is the shade there. It looks like it's black, or it's a really dark purple. I'm not sure. The shade is called Velvet. This is the Lottie London AM to PM eyeliner, and it is very soft. It is retractable. Oh, it helps if I hold things up so you can see them. It's very soft because it had a nice sharp point, but once I swatched it, it's already gone down. But it does have a sharpener on the end if you need to make a fine point again. But yeah, that is a nice retractable eyeliner. So we've got the eyeliner, the vitamin C clay mask, the bronzer, the body scrub, and the makeup brush. So not bad. Yeah, we got some makeup, we got some skincare, we got some tools. I think that's a pretty good bag in my opinion. Let me know what you think of the products below. Did you get this bag, and did you get other items? What did you get? I'm curious. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this month. Short and sweet. I will have a referral link in the description if you want to get your own Ipsy bag, but you're not required to. No big deal. That eyeliner stays put. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be notified next time I upload a video. And until then, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.